We're going to spend a moment here talking about the conjugation of a regular verb in German, or as it's otherwise known, a weak verb. The infinitive form of the verb is the standard form or name of the verb. And when we say infinitives, that means, for example, for these two verbs, kommen and gehen. And one thing that's true for German verbs is they always end in an N or an EN. Now, if you remove the EN ending from the verb, what you're left with, for example, if you take kommen and you remove the EN, you get kommt or gehen, and you remove the EN, you get gay or heißen and heiß. This is called the root of the verb or the verb stem. And to the verb stem, you add endings, and these endings change. And here's a quick chart with the verb kommen to show you. For the pronoun ich or I, you would add an E. So to say I am coming, you'd say ich komme. Or you are coming, du kommst. You take the root of the verb. In this case, that is the verb minus the en. Remember, kommen, take the en off, you get komm, the root of the verb. And then for the second person singular, or you, informal, you add an st. So du kommst, you are coming. Kommt, he is coming. Sie kommt, she is coming. Es kommt, it is coming. And you'll notice these three here are all t. So that is because all of these pronouns here, sie, and es, have the same conjugation of the verb. And then wir, which means we, you would take the root komm, and you add an en to it, kommen. So essentially it's unchanged from the infinitive form of the verb, which was kommen. And then for the ihr plural, you add kommt. And for the formal you add an en to become kommen. And sie, which also means they, plural, sie kommen, they are coming. Okay? There will be a second video going into a little bit more depth about showing how verbs in German, or weak verbs or regular verbs, conjugate. Basically, it's, if you can remember S1010, which is nothing more than the E for the I. So ich komme, du kommst, and then instead of remembering that, just remember they all take T, so that's the est, t, and then you have the en, ten, and then the t, n, so S1010. I'll talk more about that on another video. Auf Wiedersehen und danke.